Hello everyone, Ramya, Assistant Professor of CSE Bit Department from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology, subject code OMD 551, Unit 2, topic Electrocardiograph.
Objective to understand the concepts of electrocardiograph and its recording unit. ECG. It is an instrument which records the electrical activity of the heart. It is the recorded ECG wave pattern. Then only it provides a valuable information about a wide range of cardiac disorders from the presence of inactive part of the heart muscle. Here, the rhythm of can be changed easily diagnosed by using electrocardiograph. The PQRS and T waves, normal values and amplitude, duration of important ECG parameters are shown in this table. Next one is ECG electrodes. To record an electrocardiogram, a number of electrodes are affixed to the body of the patient. Here the electrodes are connected to the ECG machines by the same number of electrical wires. Then only the surface electrodes are used with jelly as electrolyte between the skin and electrodes. Here each electrode has separate colors. Then only you can able to identify the placement of electrodes. Next one is ECG lead system. The tracing of voltage difference at any two sides due to electrical activity of the heart is called lead. There are four types of lead systems: bipolar limb lead, augmented unipolar limb lead, modified chest lead, Frank lead system. First, we are going to see the bipolar limb lead. It also called as standard leads bipolar limb lead system. It is first introduced by Einthoven. In this lead system, the potentials are trapped from four locations of our body. They are right arm, right leg, and left leg. Here, the right leg is only used for your ground reference. It consists of three lead system: lead 1, lead 2 and lead 3. So it is called as a bipolar because the electrode diagram is recorded from two electrodes and third electrode is not connected. Why? Because the selection made among the available active electrodes. Here the figure shows the standard bipolar limb leads and its corresponding ECG waveform. From this Einthoven triangle, it shows the closed path RA to LA to LL and back to RA. So it is called as the Einthoven triangle. Here the sides of the triangle represent the lines along which are three projections or the ECG vector to be measured. Next one is augmented unipolar limb leads. It is introduced by Wilson. In this leads, the electrocardiogram is recorded between a single exploratory electrode and the central terminal. That means the potentials at resistor corresponding to mean or average of potential at three electrodes. Next one is modified chest leads, otherwise it is called as the unipolar chest leads. A single chest electrode is placed sequentially on each of the 6 pre-designated points on the chest. All the three active limb electrodes are used to obtain the central terminal, while the other separate chest electrode it is used as an exploratory electrode. Here the chest positions are called the precordial unipolar leads and are designated from V1 through V6. Next one is Frank lead system. In this Frank lead system, also otherwise called as corrected orthogonal lead system, it is used in vector cardiography. Totally it contains 12 lead selections. It is separate from 3 standard bipolar leads, 3 augmented unipolar leads and remaining 6 are used for the chest leads. Next one is ECG recording unit. The block diagram of ECG recording unit consists of the following blocks: defibrillator protection circuit, lead selector, power supply unit, amplifier unit and output unit. Here in this diagram, the patient cable connects different leads from the limbs and chest to the defibrillator protection circuits. Here you are using lead selector switch. Using this you can able to feed the input voltage from the appropriate electrode to the preamplifier. Then here you are using calibrator. Using this calibrator you can able to push button allows the insertion to calibrate the recorder. In this diagram, you have that bioamplifier. The bioamplifier consists of preamplifier and the power amplifier. Using the preamplifier, You can able to provide a switch to set gain. It also avoid problems with small DE voltage from the polarization of the electrodes. Then the power amplifier is followed by an AC amplifier called pen amplifier. It provides a power to drive the pen motor that records the actual ECG trace. Using the ECG recorder, you can able to record the output of electrocardiograph. Then the next one is buffer amplifier. Using the buffer amplifier, you can able to increase the input impedance and reduce the effect of variations in electrode impedance. It also used for each patient lead system. The next one is power switch. It consists of three positions. On position. The on position is used for amplifier turned on but paper drive not running. The next one is run position. It is used for paper drive starts running. The last one is off position. ECG unit switch off. Then the last one is output unit. The output unit contains CRO. CRO means what? Cathode ray oscilloscope. In case of paper chart recorder, the power amplifier, otherwise pen amplifier, supplies the required power to driven pen motor. Next one is analysis of ECG curves. Using this, the normal condition system is disturbed, therefore the beat rate will be slower than the normal rate. So this state is called as a heart block. There are different types of heart blocks are there. That means normal ECG, wave, first degree AV block, bundle block, myocardial infarction, coronary insufficiency, ventricular fibrillation. From this topic, you will get the following questions. Define ECG. List the lead system used in ECG recording. Draw the Enthoven triangle.